Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change time on Realme C67 device. Well, it is important to note that changing the time on the device can have implications for various applications, services, and functionalities that rely on accurate time information. Therefore, it is generally recommended to keep the device time synchronized with the correct time unless there is a specific need or valid reason to change it. And then how to do that? First of all, please open the clock application on your device. And then select the clock here. After that, please tap the three dots in the upper right corner. And then click settings. Okay, and then here you can select change date and time. And then turn off this option. After that, you can change the time here. And then when you're done, click OK. And then now the time on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change time on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.